Hey fam, what's good? Welcome to another video. I won't be before you long. Check it out. Today we're going to talk about Woman's Gotta Have It by Bobby Womack. What I'm going to show you is the basic patterns, and I'm hoping that you will use that as a launching pad to get into the tune on your own, listen along with the record. It's a couple of parts, fairly easier than it might sound at first listen. So let's get into it, man. The first chord, the main idea, the verse groove is going to be played over a beat like a B minor 7. But check it out. Here's the intro part. So we're going E, F sharp, G, B, which is that Dorian sound. Then we're going to come back to G, F sharp, E, D, and then B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into the verse section. Now this is the basic idea. On the recording there are a couple subtle variations, not major variations, but I'm not going to touch on all of those. I'm going to just show you the basic idea. So I'm going to tease the copyright gods just a little bit and play a little bit of the record. Check it out. So we're just going right down that pentatonic. But remember, if you go, you'll wind up into a different kind of, a real blues shuffle type of a feel. So you have to be careful with it. So those are the notes. Again, use this as a launching pad. Take it and listen to the record. Listen to the record. Listen to the record. I just made that up. Okay, so there's the verse, right? All the verses. Those are the verses. Let's now get into the chorus. It's going to be over D, right? We're going to the major, the key we're in, right? We're in the key of D. So pretty easy here. Before you get into you'll have an A chord, and you just play the A, and then here's the pattern for the chorus. Back to the intro section, that sort of intro/interlude section. So here you got D, this classic hammer on from the 5th to the 6th to the root of the major chord. So it's like you're going from 1 to 4. And that A brings us back around, and it just loops. You dig what I'm saying? So again, use this as a springboard to let you see what I'm, see kind of get an idea what the patterns are, and then go listen to the record. All right, fam, that is Woman's Gotta Have It by Bobby Womack. I suggest, again, as always, when I show you these quick little tutorials, go back, listen to the record, play along with the record, but this will kind of take some of the guesswork out of what the fingerings are and what makes, what I think makes sense to use. But by all means, experiment, do your own thing, but listen to the record, play along with the record. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the whole way through. Like it if you like it. Leave a comment down in the comment section. You can support the channel by checking out one of those products below or becoming a member of TED Talks Bass. Right here, there's a join button right underneath this video. I will see you next time. As always, y'all. Peace. Two fingers. Stay safe. Stay healthy.